Okay, we'll assume this. Let this be a distance equal to d. I'll assume a strip here. A thin strip, I'll assume it. First, we'll define that. Let this be equal to dx. At a distance x, let this be equal to dx. Then this will be theta. This will be theta from here. The geometry part, we have to be careful. So this will be theta, no? If I make the plate thin, I can show all the things very till there. I'll extend this. No, this will become theta, no? So this is x. So what can be this length? X theta. So what is the capacitance of this small region? DC should be equal to epsilon naught. What is the area of cross section of plate? Okay, first we'll go for that plate also. The plate here, what is the area of cross section of this one? Will be dx into a. So the capacitance will become f naught a dx by what is the distance? Distance will become d plus x theta. Any limits? Shall I go for x? This distance here, this is x equal to 0, x equal to a by 2. This is x equal to minus a by 2. So the limit should be equal to now epsilon naught a dx d plus x theta should be minus a by 2 to plus a by 2. So the final capacitance, this should become equal to f naught a by theta log of d plus x theta minus a by 2 to plus a by 2. If you want, we can further simplify. I think rather than this, we can simplify minus log of, this will be a better one. Take d common. Take d common. So then this will become epsilon naught a theta log d into 1 plus a theta 2d. We'll try to simplify. Maybe we'll get a better equation. Log of d 1 minus now you see this log a plus log b formula. Log ab, so log ab you can add log a plus log b. So this will become epsilon naught a theta log d plus log of a theta by 2d 1 plus a theta. Log d minus log of 1 minus a theta by 2d. Log d gets eliminated, that then we'll further simplify this. C is equal to epsilon naught a theta it is. A theta by 2d any expansion of logarithm. Expansion of logarithm. If you can help me, I'll further simplify it. F naught a theta 1 plus log of 1 plus x will be x plus minus x square by 2 x cube by 3. Yeah, okay, that one. Anybody? Expansion of log of 1 plus x. Shall I think first factor will be x.
So x minus x square by 2 plus x cube by 3.
Like this, huh?
Yes, sir.
Okay, this one. X a theta by 2d minus 1 by 2 a theta by 2d whole square plus 1 by 3. I think till here we will stop it. Higher order terms not needed. This is one expansion. And so on. Minus of, okay, this will be 1 minus, all will be positive here. 1 minus x this one. So this will be a theta by 2d why this is 1 minus of it will be negative, no, everywhere. Check once, anybody. Log of 1 minus 6. Minus 6 it should come, I feel. Yeah. Expansion, anybody? Log of 1 minus 6. One log of 1 plus x is alternative negative signs will come.
Sir, everything will be minus, sir.
Everything will be minus here, no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Here also, yeah. Okay, fine. Yeah, this will be. Okay, now I think some quantities will cancel out. C is equal to epsilon naught a theta. So this will highlight it. These two will get added up. These two will get added up. The minus 1 by 2, that will get subtracted. So then this will become a theta by d plus this will become 2 by 3 a theta by 2d whole cube. So 2 cube by 8, 12 it will be. So further expression C equal to epsilon naught a theta will send inside. Theta if I send inside, it will be a by d plus this will be 1 by 12 a square, it is a square theta cube d cube. I think, okay, we ended up. Yeah. This should be the capacitance of this particular system. I think the D should be. Yeah. Okay. If you want D, you take outside D square, it will become. Okay. We'll do one thing. Next step, one more. F naught A by D or F naught A square by D 1 plus A cube was there. No, it will be remain as A cube only. Why this is? No. A square theta cube square. Theta square. A square theta square by 12 D square. Theta 0, it will be F naught A square by D. If there is any angle of inclination, it will come into picture. Nowadays, some students are very smart that they remember this. Luckily, if it comes in advance, they'll pick up this option. Or even if they ask you any question, you need not to do this much now, that you can start from here. So all the standard information is better to, at least not now, when another last 2 months exam is there, better I think focus on these aspects also. The important things all better let's remember. So that in exam you can start from here. If they ask you really some application problem where you need this, so you can't derive in exam. So if you know this formula, you can manage. We don't know. See, exams can be of any kind. No, the questions they ask, it's not in our hands. So slight inclination comes, it'll be theta. You have to substitute in radians here. There's another thing, not degrees. Theta should be in the radians. Okay, these are all some problems I have brought on